Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is appendicular skeleton, chapter 16, sport and movement, topic 9. Appendicular skeleton is further divided into two broad categories: pectoral girdle and forelimb, pelvic girdle and hind limb. In the last lecture we studied axial skeleton, their number of bones and position. In the same way we will study appendicular skeleton, their number of bones and their position. So let's get started. Pectoral girdle and forelimb is divided into two further parts, mean pectoral girdle and forelimb. Pectoral girdle को हमने अलग पढ़ना है एंड forelimb को अलहदा से सेपरेटली स्टडी करना है. स्कैपुला, सुप्रास्कैपुला एंड क्लेविकल, these three bones are of pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle is that part of your appendicular skeleton that form your simply wording में shoulder, जो कि आपके शोल्डर को फॉर्म करता है. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? पेक्टोरल गिर्डल. पेक्टोरल गिर्डल is scapula, suprascapula and clavicle. Scapula, in each shoulder its number is 1. Suprascapula, in each shoulder its number is also 1. Clavicle, in each shoulder its number is also 1. That is scapula in your shoulder. That one is suprascapula, and the bone that bind the or attach the shoulder to the rib cage or sternum, जो सेंट्रल पार्ट से आपके शोल्डर को जोड़ती है, that bone is known as clavicle. इसकी डेफिनेशन यही है, the bone that attaches the shoulder to the sternum. So in one shoulder there are three bones. We have two shoulders in our body, so total number of bones in our body of pectoral girdle is 6 bones. forelimb जिसे हम सिंपल वर्डिंग में क्या कहेंगे? आर्म रीजन. शोल्डर से बिलो सारा क्या आएगा? फोरलिम्ब आएगा. ह्यूमरस is the upper bone of your arm. In each forelimb its number is 1. Radius, upper bone of your arm. Let's say this is the upper bone of your arm. Humerus is further divided into two smaller bones. One is radius and other one is ulna. Upper larger bone is known as humerus, H. This one is radius and this one is ulna. So one radius and one ulna in your arm. Carpals कहते हैं कलाई की हड्डियों को. There are total number of carpal in your bone is in your skeleton is 8. मेटाकार्पल्स हथेली की उंगलियों को हड्डियों को कहते हैं, और जो आपकी हथेली है पाम रीजन है उसके अंदर जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ मेटाकार्पल्स हैं दैट इज 5. फेलेंजिस, दैट बोन्स दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन योर फिंगर्स, जो उंगलियां बनाती हैं हड्डियां, दैट इज टोटल नंबर इज ऑफ 14. ह्यूमरस अपर रीजन एंड radius and ulna lower region of your arm. कार्पल्स कलाई रिस्ट की बोन्स, टोटल नंबर ये कितनी होती हैं? 8. ये बहुत फाइन बोन्स होती हैं और ये इसीलिए इतनी ज़्यादा नंबर में है और इतने ज़्यादा जॉइंट्स है इसके लिए, टू मेक योर रिस्ट मूवेबल इन ऑल एंगल. मेटाकार्पल्स पाम रीजन जो बनाती है, ये कितने? टोटल नंबर ऑफ 5. फेलेंजिस जो कि आपकी फिंगर्स बनाती हैं, ये टोटल नंबर कितना है 14. So 1 humerus, 1 radius, 1 ulna, 3, 8 carpals, 3 and 8, 11, 5 metacarpals, 16, 16 or 14, 30. So in each forelimb we have 30 bones. In each forelimb we have 2 forelimbs in our body. So total number of bones that is present in our forelimb is 60 bones. Pelvic region and hind limb. Pelvic region, again pelvic girdle. It is consist of 2 coaxial bones. 2 coaxial bones. And these 2 coaxial bones is further divided into ilium, ischium and pubis. But all these ilium, ischium and pubis are fused bone, but we count it as separately. हम फिर भी इनका जो नंबर है वो सेपरेटली काउंट करते हैं. इलियम सेपरेटली, इस्चियम सेपरेटली एंड प्यूबस सेपरेटली. सो 1 2 3 बोन्स हैं जो कि मिलके क्या बनाते हैं कोएक्सियल बोन्स. So there are 2 coaxial bones in pelvic region. So total number of bones is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 6 bones in total pelvic region. Hind limb just like the forelimb is consist of femur, tibia, fibula, tarsal, metatarsal and phalanges. Femur, tibia, fibula, tarsal, metatarsal and phalanges. So total number of bone in femur is 1. Upper part of your leg. Tibia is also 1. Lower part of your leg. Fibula is also 1. Lower part. Tarsal, that make the tarsal is number of 7. And add that make ankle, takna. Metatarsal is also number 5. Phalanges is also 14. All are same in hind limb and forelimb, but there is a difference between the carpals and tarsal. Both play same function, but one is present in your hand, another one is present in your foot. Tarsal 7 bones and carpals 8 bones. So let's count. 1 femur, 1 tibia, 1 fibula, 7 tarsal, 5 metatarsal, 14 phalanges, 1 2 3 and plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 14 29. So total number of bones in each leg is 29. We have 2 legs in our body. 29 multiplied by 2 is equal to 58. Let's count. 6 plus 60 is equal to 66. In pelvic pectoral region plus forelimb there are 66 bones. 58 plus 6, this is 64. So in pelvic girdle we have total number of bone is 64. So the total number of bones that is present in our appendicular skeleton is equal to 130. 130 bone in our appendicular skeleton, 66 and 64. So this is all about our appendicular skeleton. We human, in a axial skeleton we have 80 bones, and in the same way in appendicular skeleton we have, I did a mistake. Two coaxial bonds are studied combinedly, that is total 2. So -4 करेंगे हम यहाँ से, आउट ऑफ -4 करेंगे आउट ऑफ 64 इज इक्वल टू 60. यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे, -4 अगेन करेंगे, 126. 80 plus 126 is equal to 206. So the total number of bones in our appendicular skeleton is 206. That is 126 in appendicular skeleton and 80 in axial skeleton. This is all about your human skeleton. You have to learn about the number of bones, their position, their number and their pair form. Either they are present in pair form or unpaired form. This is all about your today's lecture.